This video is brought to you by Springs Online. If you are looking for an amazing online shopping experience where you can get a one-stop shop at affordable prices, Springs Online has got you covered. From women's clothing to men's clothing, accessories, gadgets, furniture, even the littlest things that you can think of. They've got you covered. Just head over there. Their website is full of amazing things and they have got something amazing for you. For the first 30 shoppers, you can get freebies, a lot of discount codes, and you can also get discounts by using my code down below. I will leave all their information in the description box down below. Happy shopping! Yan amukela kumqobo yami bomtabaka dad, bomtabaka gogo, bomtabaka auntie, bomtabaka sissy. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please. Follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. I will leave my information in the description box down below also, but use the number on your screen to get you more traffic and more eyes on your videos or your business. Kimande, guys, Kimande, bear with me, Kimande. Guys, Kat Matlala has been denied a bail. Shibi Shit, is it Shibi Shucks? Shibiena. He allegedly pew-pewed someone because of road rage. Yes, and then there is a certain content that you guys are no longer happy with seeing. Let's not waste any more time and get straight into it. First and foremost, congratulations to our newest Miss South Africa, Uqhawe Lamaqhawe, who I love, love, love. I used to follow all her videos on TikTok, and she now has the crown. AS South Africa. Mamela, baby girl, we are all so happy and proud of you. Luyanda Zuma came as a first princess. Mamela, my Shaga Ibele, she was an actress on Shaka Ibele. Like, we loved her from it. You are destined to be a model. You are destined to be on our screen. You are going to do amazing in this industry. Mamelani, I am so happy with the winner. Like, I don't, it was between the two of them for me. So when they said Kawe, I was like, okay, happy, happy. Now let's get into the crux of things. Your favorite. You want to name a celebrity that you guys make famous? They think they are above the law. Who am I talking about? I am talking about that one of Shabi, him. It is alleged that on the 21st of October, he was involved in a road rage incident, which ended up with him taking out his mratata, and using it on the other driver because of the bad driving that had taken place. So when we said use your words, what did we mean? Not use your yizo the return when you can. And this is the thing, is this is not the first incident with this man involved. This man is always alleged to be doing crazy things to his fans, from like using his hands and touching them in an ungodly manner, and using other things, stay tendencies on people. Manje, it has gone as far as using your pew pew on people. Oh, we need you under the jail right next to Tabo Pesta and Ket Matlala. No, do not pass begin, do not collect 200, straight to jail. Nix. Guys, ningam khulumeli. And then you guys wanted him to be an ambassador for Nike. Just do it. He can't. No, sorry, not him. That one of the alleged Hoshkari gang, Ket Matlala, has been denied bail. I don't even know why this was ever up for discussion and why he had the liver, the audacity from a Stella Chablane, when he applied for bail. What was going through his mind after everything he's been accused of, after every scandal he's been allegedly involved in? He thought he was going to get bail. No, I need Kat's ambition. I need that type of aspiration in my life. You need to stay under the jail. With you, it's not even like a matter of, oh, He's not. He is not. He is him, in fact. G4S Manga Womb Prison under the solitary confinement. He's needed there. He is right where he belongs, next to Tabo Pesta and Rodovan Creature. He does not belong anywhere else, not even on the streets, applying for bail. No, start preparing for your trial. Start preparing for your trial. You still wanted to be outside after I spoke about you? Put my life under the risk? Hi, Putom. Hi, Putom. Yo, Tiki bars of command, full stop, Macarena, Pomchakato, Bella, Maltugi, Pendy, and Vedulela, Maltugi, and you understand DSTV strategy. Kavang Puma, when yo. Now, guys, let's talk about. We can't have a video without content creators. Now, there has been a lot of talk on TikTok regarding this certain type of content where your content creators do videos, but the videos feel more like bullying than they are influencing. Like, yeah, you still don't know makeup in 2025. Yeah, you can't draw an eyelash, but you want to have a boyfriend. Yeah, you can't cook a chicken with pepper juice and creamy sauce. You've been dating your man for 6 years and all you feed him is mind throw. Like, you guys are like, we've had enough with this type of like mean and bullying content. And the latest one to be thrown under the fire is Uyoli, the former Big Brother star. As you have seen, she was always a body positivity like influencer, saying love yourself at any size, at any shape or form. And then she started going to the gym, started like losing weight, and then now she's telling you, Hori,
your boyfriend wants to give you his jacket, but he can't because you're fat. He wants to give you his hoodie, but when you put it on, you look like Winnie the Pooh wearing a crop top because you're fat. Now after he's finished doing punyakus with you, he wants to be like, hey baby, you can wear my sweatpants now, baby, put on my shirt, it's cool, you can, but he can't do that because you're fat. And now he's gonna be texting other skinny bitches and giving them their jackets. You need to go to the gym.
yeah, as you can see, people are like, excuse us. This is like you were always like a body shamer, but because you were with us in the struggle of weight veil, you were not shaming us when we were all together in the struggle. But now that you are shedding some weight, shedding some pounds, looking amazing and fabulous, you are fat shaming us, you are body shaming us, you are bullying us. We don't like it. We don't like it at all. I don't know if she's like doing this as the content to like rage bait or, but Nami, like, guys, if my mind is not in it, I'm not gonna do it. Just because you speak to me in a certain way, and especially if you speak to me in a certain way, it's going to irk me. It's going to annoy me. It's going to irritate me. In fact, if ukhuluma nami ngathi awuyazi ibus stop park station ime kuphi, bese ukhuluma nami ngathi hlisihlahleni, I might not take what you say to me. So I don't know if other people enjoy this type of like content, but a lot of people have been coming out and saying, "For yo, this type of content is really like getting on our nerves now because why are you disrespecting me when you're talking to me? Like, talk to me, but talk to me nicely. Don't talk to me like angazi itrain iya kuphi kuphi iyehle kanjani." So yeah, a lot of people have been talking about this type of content saying, you know what, it started off as cute, but now it's really no longer cute, especially because like we are in such a sensitive era of our life. Everything is wrong. Things that used to be funny in the 2000s, now that we're in the 2020s, asisahleki. Asihleki nebhara. Ngoba ama-2000 sona-25. So no, ayisekho into ehlekisayo. Sekukubi guys manje. Anything that you do or say will and can be used against you in the court of law. It's true. Yeah, so let's talk in the comment section down below. I will see you just now. No, ngizonibona khona manje because why? Ngiyenze enye ivideo. Yebo.